welcome to my channel. Today we're going to open little iPads. I'm so excited. Let's do it. So, before we do it, there is 30 bird calls. Ooh, let's see. I'm so excited. They can sing when you tap their head. Ooh, let's see how it works. Let's open it. So, it lights up and it has 30 bird calls, and when you pat their head, they sing and they can copy what you say. So let's open it. I'm so excited! So, we got a bird. Let's take it out. Well, this one can't lie out, this one, but this one can. So here it is. It looks so cute. Let's put the rubbish here. So, let's see her name. Her name is, Meghan. It's a cute name. Let's see. Hi. Is she cute? So, Bean is lighting up now. We put some batteries in it. She's so cute. Hi. Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's so cute. So, now, let's pet her. Let's see if she can sing. I don't know. Oh, did she just sing? I didn't even say that. Oh.
Hey, tell me a secret.
Should we open the next one? Okay, let's open the next one. Oh, she's so cute.
Hey, good looking.
I didn't even say that. Her wings are glowing really bright. Wow. I think we should open the next one now. She's too comfy. So she can sit in the cage and eat some food. So, this one is like a snow one, and it's blue. And it's in the cage this time. I'll show you a secret. So, let's open this now. I'm so excited. Let's get opening. So, this says try me. So, let's try. Hi. Is she going to copy me? Oh, she's cute. So, I'm going to open her now. Let's open her. So here is Starflake here. She's in here in her little cage. Let's open the gate. Let's open the gate. So her name is Starflake. She's so cute. Let's take her out. Let's see what she can do. So we took her out. So now let's close the gate. And close it now. Here she is. Look how cute she is. Hi. Look how cute. Is she? Aww. I love her wings. Look how pretty the wings are. So, and I like her cage because I like all the sparkles to it. I like the details to it too. like that. And I like the see-through things. So here she is. Want them to swing your pet then? It's so cute. So let's open the gate and get one out. I'm gonna get this one out. Since I can fit it easier. Okay, I got it out now. Let's see if we can stroke her. So my stroking snowflake. So cute. And they glow. This one glows, but this one doesn't. And they talk and copy you. Hi. It's super awesome. I love them. And I like the cage that they come in. I like them because you like there's some food in it and yeah, like that. Yes, there's some food. Yeah. We got some water and some pet food. Yes. Like seeds. So let's close it. And I think you can see it in here. And I like that you can have a carrier there. Carrier here too. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.